Okay, guys, so welcome. Today we are going to do one small test with you all. So first will be Shaurubh. Shaurubh, you have to tell me the antonyms with S word. All the words that you use, it should start with S. So the first word for Shaurubh is tall. Answer, Shaurubh.
Short.
Short.
Antonym is short. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Okay, Zeba, the next is north.
South,
South, absolutely right. Now I'll go to Chandan. Happy,
Sad.
sad. So antonym means opposite word. So you're speaking opposite also, and you have to ensure that your word should start with S. Now the next person is Sharu.
Different. Same.
Different, same, absolutely right. Now Zeba, dangerous. S word, your answer should start with S.
safe,
Safe, absolutely right. Safe is the right answer. Chandan, big.
Small.
Small, very good. Yes, Sharu.
Dull. Smart.
Smart, very good. Very nice. Dull, the antonym will be smart. Or there's one word also very nice word. We call it sparkling. Sparkling. Okay, sparkling. I'm telling you the spelling. Sparkling. Sparkling.
Okay.
Okay. Even one word is also there which is called sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. So dull could be smart, sharp, or sparkling. Okay. So next is, I guess, Zeba. Noisy.
silent,
Silent. Absolutely right. My God, you people are doing so good. Huh? Very nice. Okay. Silent is the right answer. Silent or still. S-T-I-L-L. Still. Okay. You can say silent or still. Okay. The next is Chandan. Sit.
Sit. Okay. Sat.
Sad. Opposite. You are speaking opposite.
Sit. Stand.
Stand. Absolutely right. Stand is the right answer. Very good. Okay. Next is receive. Shaurubh, receive.
Receive is ये तो send.
Send. S-E-N-D. Send. Very good. It was a lovely first round. Was really very good. So that was good. Just a minute. Now we'll go to this test one is ending here. Now the test two. Antonyms again begins with S word. Okay. Same antonyms again, but begin with S word. But this time you have to give two answers. Remember, you have to give two answers right now, not one answer. You have to give two answers. Generous. Shaurubh, generous is the word.
Word.
Generous. What is generous, by the way? Yeah, Zeba, what is the meaning of generous?
सब ईमानदार,
Imandar.
honest,
Honest, okay. I want more appropriate meaning. Yeah, Chandan. Generous.
Generous means kind.
Very kind. You know, the people who think for others.
Okay.
People, they give their life for others. You know, that is the
Helpful.
helpful, generous. So what will be the antonym of generous?
Selfish.
Selfish. Okay, this is one. I want two answer for each question.
Generous, selfish, obvious, suitable, stay.
Yes, Zeba, can you
Cruel.
tell me generous antonyms of generous? Any S, but it should be S.
Selfish तो समझ में आ
That
रहा
is
है
done.
और
Selfish is done. Okay, I'm telling you the right answer. The right answer is, of course, selfish and stingy. Stingy. S-T-I-N-G-Y. Stingy. So we can say instead of selfish, we can say, you know, that person is very stingy. Stingy means people who always think about themselves. Selfish.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next is for Zeba. Meaningless. Meaningless. What is the meaning of meaningless, Zeba?
ना कोई मतलब का
Not so important.
yes.
Not so important. Okay, yeah. Tell me what will be the antonym.
Sensible.
Sensible. Very good. Very nice. Sensible is the right answer. Now tell me the next one. Yeah, Shahrukh, can you answer?
So significant.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Significant or sensible. Wow, the people are, you know, people are really playing so good. Okay, I'll be also showing you the answer, you know, that will basically help you to answer. Okay. So we are done with the meaningless. Now next is Chandor, tell me. Believing.
Believing. Okay.
Yes,
Vishwas.
believing is the word.
Believe correct. Believing.
Believing. Yes.
No, sir.
Yeah, Shahrukh.
Yes, sir. Believing what antonym is the
Believing.
Yeah, Zeba, you are there also.
Sir, superstitious.
Superstitious with a kind of belief ही है. So it's not basically the antonym of believing. Okay, let's see. I'll show you what is skeptical or suspicious. तो कभी-कभी हम लोग लोगों को बोलते हैं यार, you are not believing. You are a very skeptical person. You know, आप तुम किसी को believe ही नहीं करते हो. You are very skeptical or suspicious. हमेशा शक करते हो यार, तुम कभी बिलीव क्यों नहीं करते? सो बिलीव का ऑपोजिट होता है स्केप्टिकल और सस्पिशियस.
Okay.
Skeptical or suspicious. So I'm showing you the slide so that you can see the spelling also. Okay, so can we go to the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, complicated. Shahrukh, complicated.
complicated. Solved.
Solved. We are not
Simple,
talking
I
about
think.
solution. We are talking about it is very hard.
Hard.
Complicated.
Simple, sir.
Simple, huh?
Wait,
Simple.
I'll come to you. Yeah, Shahrukh, simple.
Simple, yeah. Complicated,
Okay.
simple.
What could be the other?
Simple and other.
Deva? something is not complicated, then what that could
Smooth,
be?
smooth, smooth.
Smooth. Wow, that could be a good option. That could be also a good option. So let's see. We can say, of course, simple, and yes, we can also write smooth also. The smooth is also talking about that it is not that confusing. Very good. I would go with your answer, Shahrukh. Very nice. Okay, let's go to Zeba now. Yeah, Zeba, doubtful.
Yes.
Yeah. Doubtful. इंसान जो doubt करता है, उसका एंटोनिम्स मतलब इंसान जो doubt नहीं करता है, S word के साथ.
सॉल्व नहीं होगा ना सर?
नहीं, सॉल्व यहाँ पे वो नहीं हो रहा. यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि डाउटफुल. अगर मैं किसी को बोलूं कि आप हमेशा डाउटफुल क्यों रहते हो, उसका उल्टा क्या रहेगा कि आप हमेशा क्या रहते हो या क्या नहीं रहते हो. या स्वरूप,
Doubtful.
if somebody is not doubtful, then what is that? या चंदन?
Doubtful. No, sir.
Okay, let's see some answer.
See.
Sure.
Oh, sure.
Somebody
yes,
is
yes,
very sure. He is not doubtful. He is very sure about it.
sure.
Is very sure
Yes, sir.
about it.
Yes, sir.
See, and try to understand this. These are so easy, but sometimes we become very, confusing. It becomes very confusing for us. So, right now, what we are doing, we are working on our vocabulary, and
Right.
these words are already there. ऐसा नहीं कि
আমার-
आपको वो पता नहीं है.
Doubtful আমার কাছে এটা ওয়ার্ড ছিল ক্লিয়ার বাট এস দিয়ে মাথায় আসছিল না
Doubtful like clarity,
ক্ল্যারিটি
but here we are talking about S word.
yes that's right
So I'm making your life more difficult so that you should think more. Okay, Chandan, tell me. Careful.
Careful. Okay. Careful. Careful.
Careful. Yeah, Zeba? Hello? जब वर्ड दिखाएंगे ना आप लोग बोलोगे oh my god this I knew it. Yeah, Shahrukh. Shahrukh, you are mute.
careful sensible
Careful.
अभी मुझे बताना है कि जो हम केयर नहीं करते तो
हाँ, सपोज मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ यार तू बिल्कुल केयर नहीं करता, तो तुम क्या करते हो फिर? ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? Okay, let's see the answer. We can call, there are two options, slipshod or sloppy. People who are not careful, we can call it slipshod. So this is a very nice word, slipshod. Slipshod or sloppy.
Yes, sir.
Slipshod or sloppy. I don't know कभी आपने ये word सुना होगा कि नहीं? Slipshod. People who are not careful are not, the sloppy means also not careful. So always remember this क्योंकि मैं इसका टेस्ट भी लूंगा बहुत जल्द आपसे. Hope you remember all this.
इसका भी टेस्ट होगा सर?
इसका भी टेस्ट मतलब और क्या क्या चीज का टेस्ट हुआ है?
ये तो टेस्ट हो रहा है ना, ये भी तो एक टेस्ट है.
But we are also learning. टेस्ट में आंसर थोड़ी ना बोला जाता है. Okay. चलिए काम करते हैं. Now we'll go for the buzzer round. Okay, anybody who will, take their hands up, I'll ask him or her. Wakefulness. Wakefulness.
strong
Wakefulness.
strong
स्लीप.
Zeba?
स्लीप होगा सर.
strong
Strong. Why strong, Shahrukh? Wakefulness. What is the meaning of
oh
wakefulness?
wake আমি weak
स्लीप होगा सर.
Can't you see the word?
हाँ wakefulness wakefulness
Yeah, Chandan.
Wakefulness.
wakefulness. So what is the meaning of wakefulness? Means
जगा रहना,
जागा हुआ.
जागा हुआ या जगा रहना. This is a
তাহলে
noun.
তাহলে স্যার sleepy হতে পারে, sleepy
Okay, the right answer is sleep or slumber.
number.
Sleep or slumber. We can call it sleep or slumber.
Okay. Wakefulness.
Okay, so next I'll go for okay, objective subjective. Okay, so you got the answer. Rough,
Smooth.
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 smooth. Very good. Laugh,
Smile. Hey, sir.
laugh, smile.
No, sir.
Opposite,
Silent.
we are talking about opposite.
Silent.
No, silent.
সাইলেন্ট কি করে হচ্ছে? সাইলেন্ট হবে। লাভ স্যার
Yeah, Deva,
Scared.
Sir.
laugh. You can call it sobbing, sob or scowl.
काउल
Sobbing मतलब
बने।
छुप छुप के रोना.
अच्छा सोबिंग
Sobbing.
Should
Scowl.
corona. Sir, normal cry করে দিলেই পারতাম।
But it is the S word. You have to answer it with S word, right?
ক্রাই হলো তো ইজি ছিল
That is easy होता ना. We are basically working on our vocabulary. If you are learning, it's not कि आंसर में फोकस मत रखो. अगर आंसर नहीं पता है तो क्या होगा उस पे फोकस रखो. That will add to your memory. Okay, next if you got at least okay. अगर ये सब में हम लोग अगर 8 भी करेक्ट करते हैं इसका मतलब है कि you know we are beyond average. So I don't know, I have not
8
counted.
करेक्ट हो गया, उससे ज्यादा हो गया है.
8 इतने देर में 8 मतलब है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 10 में 8 10 में 8 out of 10 if you have done 8 correct. If you have got 5 correct or below, you really need this vocab session. Okay, now let's go to synonyms.
सेम है ना सर?
2 synonyms for each word. दो synonyms चाहिए for one word.
सेम स्टार्टिंग विद एस
Let's see. No, not
नहीं.
required. Not required. Defects.
इफेक्ट्स
बैड.
Bad.
ডিসিভ আছে ডিসিভ ডিসিভ হবে কি
Good হবে sir.
I'll show you the answer. Don't worry.
সিনোনিম
बैड तो होगा.
Chandan.
Oh, synonym sir.
Synonym.
These are
Same
synonyms.
Oh, sir.
word. Okay, let's see the answer. Defects. Shortcomings or weaknesses. Shortcoming. हम लोग बहुत सारे बोलते हैं shortcomings. You know, there are some shortcomings. मतलब defects.
Weaknesses.
Shortcoming or weaknesses. Shortcoming or weaknesses. Okay, next.
Shortcoming মানে স্যার কি বলতে?
Defects. কিছু কমি মানে কিছু বলে না অনেক সময় কম পড়ে যাওয়া, আমরা চেষ্টা করছি ভালো করার কিন্তু সবসময় কম পড়ে যাচ্ছে। there are always shortcomings, you know, we are trying to make
My
it
hard
out
work.
Okay.
okay. Next word is desire, wishes and wants. desire को हम लोग wishes wants बोल सकते हैं, सॉरी हम लोग गलत पे इसमें आ गए। desire, wishes and wants. Okay. True.
Right.
Right, Ajay, right.
Okay, what could be more?
Correct.
Correct.
Right, correct.
Correct.
वाह, दोनों ऑप्शन मिल गया,
Right, correct.
वेरी गुड। suitable.
Suitable.
Yeah.
Adjusting.
Suitable.
Just suitable.
Usable.
suitable. Yeah,
Sir,
sure.
adjust नहीं होगा.
We'll see the adjusting. suit करना, suitable.
Suitable. Matching.
matching फिर भी थोड़ा close है।
Suitable.
Okay, let's see some right word for this. Appropriate, consistent.
Yes.
Appropriate हम लोग बहुत समय use करते हैं, appropriate. Appropriate.
Consistent.
Appropriate. Consistent.
Consistent. Right.
Okay. Next. Luminous. Very nice word, huh? ये word को हमेशा याद रखिएगा. This is a very nice word.
Luminous.
Luminous.
Meaning, sir?
Sir, what is the meaning of
अब
luminous?
जो meaning बोलेंगे वो तो synonym हो जाएगा फिर. Luminous मतलब उजाला.
Dark. Dark.
We are not doing antonym.
Oh, sorry. Ujala.
Prakash.
Luminous है light. Light.
Light.
Light.
What else? Does Zeba any idea here?
Clear.
Clear, नहीं. Luminous मतलब so
Ujala.
बहुत
Light and
Bright.
bright.
Right. Right.
bright could be still bright is an option.
Bright, yeah.
Bright and glowing.
Bright and glowing.
Glow करना, bright लगना, glow करना. Bright and glowing. Okay. Next. Loathing.
Loathing.
Yes. What is the meaning of loathing?
Loathing.
No, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Loathing.
Meaning, sir?
Loathing.
Loathing means something which is not so good. something very unpleasant.
Oh, that's unpleasant.
Bit
Not
unpleasant.
so good. Unpleasant.
No. Normal.
কি বললে?
Normal.
There's a difference between normal and something which is unpleasant. Okay, just see some good option.
Disgust, antipathy.
Disgust or antipathy. Anti something is very negative word. Anti. It's called antipathy.
Antipathy.
Okay, we'll go a bit fast now. Doubtful.
Doubtful. তো বললাম doubt. Not clear.
One word. One word. Doubtful ka one word.
Unclear.
Confusing.
Unclear. Confused.
Confusing.
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 Ambiguous. ये वर्ड हम लोग को बहुत सुनते हैं. Ambiguous और questionable.
Questionable.
Ambiguous मतलब दोनों में थोड़ा सा doubtful है. दोनों लगभग सेम है. Confusion, ambiguity भी बोलते हैं इसको. Ambiguous, questionable. Okay, done. Okay, let's
answer,
go.
sir, doubtful.
Doubtful मतलब
Sir,
ambiguous. Ambiguous. This is a very nice word. Ambiguous मतलब doubtful. Ambiguous or questionable.
Ambiguous.
Yes, or questionable.
Questionable. Okay.
Okay, next. Vulgar.
Vulgar.
Yes.
Network all over. I'm screen देखते हैं.
Yes.
Screen देखते हैं. Network.
Chandan, you are not able to see the screen.
Sir, offensive. Offensive.
Vulgar is a different vulgar. What is the meaning of vulgar?
Dirty. Dirty.
What, Zeba?
Dirty होगा sir.
Naughty. Okay. Close answer is somehow close.
Swanky.
Okay, let's see some more
Swanky.
appropriate answer. Vulgar, rude or ill-mannered. Ill-mannered. Vulgar मतलब बहुत bad. Naughty is not a negative word. Vulgar मतलब बहुत rude. Ill-mannered. Ill-mannered मतलब very bad mannered. Ill मतलब bad. Ill-mannered मतलब bad mannered or rude. Okay. Admiration. Admiration. Admiration.
आगे slide टाइप पर देखा.
Admiration.
Wait, sir.
Inspiration.
Admire करना, किसी को admire करना, किसी को पसंद करना. Admire
Inspire
करना.
नहीं होगा.
हाँ?
Inspire.
Your voice is not clear, Zeba. What you said? क्या स्वरूप?
Inspire.
Inspire. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Inspired.
Yeah, Swarup, you are there?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Video got stopped, I think.
Hello.
Yeah, I can listen you, Swarup.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the answer of admiration. Praise.
Praise.
Praise करना, किसी के बारे में अच्छा बोलना. और commendation. We can also call commendation. Commendation. किसी के बारे में अच्छा बोलना. Commendation or praise. Praise or commendation. This is a very nice word. Are you guys there?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, next. Very. Yes, tell me. Very.
B.
Many होगा क्या?
Many. Okay.
B.
And then? Swarup?
B.
The voice is not that clear.
Hello.
Yes. You can see the answer.
Extremely highly, right?
Extremely. Many say extremely is more, appropriate. Or highly. Extremely or highly.
Extremely spelling টা ভুল আছে একটু. TREME হবে.
Okay, very. Extremely and highly. This is the right answer. Extremely or highly. Now we'll go to the last part, and last part is very much interesting. Okay, now we will talk about synonyms. Synonyms होगा. एक copy आप सामने रखना because this is going to be very important. There will be 8 words. 8 words scattered रहेंगे. कुछ इधर कुछ इधर. 16 words. 16 words में दो words रहेंगे जो synonym रहेंगे. तो आपको क्या करना है? वो 16 words से you have to find out 8 pairs who are synonym to each other. Am I understood? Yeah,
Pair.
Swarup?
We have to find out the pair.
Yes, 8 pairs. 8 pairs. 8
pairs.
correct synonym pairs. जो एक
So we
दूसरे
have
के
to
साथ
choose,
synonym है.
So we have to choose from the options only.
Yeah, there will be 16 words.
16 words. From that, 8 words will be the pair. Okay.
Yes, 8 words will be the pair. Yeah, Zeba, it is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी हम क्या करेंगे? वो 8 वर्ड को स्क्रीन में रखेंगे फॉर 5 मिनट्स. ओके, 5 मिनट तक मैं स्क्रीन में रखूंगा. आप 5 मिनट में अपना वो 8 पेयर सारे बना लेना. जिसको मीनिंग पता नहीं होगा वो गूगल में जाके मीनिंग निकाल के वो पेयर बना सकता है. यू आर फ्री टू डू दैट. बट I want those 8 pairs. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Chandan, clear? Chandan, you are
Sir,
there?
yeah, but network call.
Clear, Latomar? I'll be showing you all the 18 words. Please 18 word को अच्छे से आप लोग देख लें. Can you see the 18 words?
16 words.
Yes, sir.
16 words.
16 words. Yes,
16.
8 pairs, 16
Yeah.
words. Right. Can you see all the
So pair-
pairs? All the 16 words, right?
Yes,
तो
sir.
पेयर किसके साथ करना है? मतलब which one I
इसी
have to
में
find the
पेयर
pair?
है, इसी में छुपा हुआ है 8 पेयर्स.
दो सेम है.
एक ही वर्ड.
दो सिनोनिम्स हैं यहाँ पे. वो 8 पेयर बनाओ अच्छे से. ये एक एक करके पेयर बनाओ. अगर आपको लगता है कि नंबर 1 और नंबर 13 का मीनिंग सेम है, तो 1 एंड 13 का एक पेयर हो गया. तो वैसे आपको 8
अच्छा, अच्छा.
पेयर्स बनाने हैं. 8 पेयर्स.
अच्छा 8 pairs बनाना है. 8 pairs बनाना है. ओके.
Okay, so guys, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Please do it. And your time starts now. So guys, now we'll come to the solution. Now we have to get all the 8 pairs ready right now. So yes, so Sharup, tell me the number 1, infidel.
The number 1 match with number 12. Unbelievable.
Okay, absolutely right. Number 1 will match with number 12, that is unbeliever. Infidel means unfaithful or unbeliever, all the same. Very good. Now number 2, ingenious. Ingenious. Yeah, Zeba, tell me the answer.
Clever.
Ingenious, clever. Okay, Saurabh, what do you think?
Ingenious, clever, sir. Clever.
Very good. Absolutely right. Ingenious. Matlab number 2 and number 11 will match. Okay, number 3. Chandan, you are there? Okay, no connect. Your voice is not reaching there. Okay, Sharup, tell me number 3. Akka.
Sir, occur is equal to happen. Number 6.
Happen. Absolutely right. Occur is happen. Both are same. Yeah, Zeba, you did that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, Zeba, tell me aberration.
Sir, bulky.
Aberration.
No.
Aberration. What is aberration? Yes. Saurabh, what do you think?
Sir, aberration will be number 10. Eccentricity.
What is aberration, by the way?
Aberration, that is a short form.
What is the meaning of that? Is not abbreviation which you did.
It's not an abbreviation, sorry.
What is aberration?
Aberration. And normally when I
एबरेशन का मतलब होता है एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो एक चीज एक जर्नी जिसमें एक चीज नॉर्मल स्टेट से एबनॉर्मल स्टेट में जाता हो. Aberration is a kind of a transformation जहाँ पे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है between from a normal to an abnormal thing. मतलब ये एक नेगेटिव ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. अगर मैं आप बोलूं स्वरूप, you have been going through an aberration. मतलब aberration मतलब it's a negative change from a normal to abnormal change. So the right match with aberration will be, no doubt, it is eccentricity. Okay, this aberration will go with eccentricity. Number 4 will go with number 10. Okay, yeah, next, Zeba, tell me as large. Number 5. Absolutely right, Raj. Large, number 5 will go with number 9, that is bulky. Very good. Yes, Shauruk, tell me, large is done. Yes. Next is persuade. Persuade.
Persuade.
What is the meaning of persuade? What is the meaning of persuade?
Persuasion. I persuade you. Induce one.
Yeah, Zeba, what do you think?
Sir, illegal.
Illegal? I don't see illegal here. Where is illegal? 16 वर्ड में मेरे को तो illegal कहीं नहीं दिख रहा है. Persuade, persuade मतलब किसी को influence करना. किसी को influence करना, इसको persuade बोला जाता है. Persuasion बोला जाता है.
Induce. Induce.
The right matching is induce, number 15. Number 7 and number 15 are same. Persuade means induce. Both are synonyms. Persuade karna, induce karna. Yes, number 8, kidnap. Zeba?
Abduct.
Abduct. हमने पढ़ा भी था इसको. Kidnap means abduct. Yeah, Shauruk, you did that.
Yeah. Abduct.
Abduction. Very good. Now we are left with unbeliever done, abduct done, unsophisticated.
Ingenious.
हाँ वही बाकी है तो अब तो वही आंसर.
अभी तो मैच द फॉलोइंग हम ऐसे ही करते हैं.
Unsophisticated. Unsophisticated मतलब unpleasant or normal. Not so sophisticated.
Sophisticated.
So यहाँ पे ingenuous है, वहाँ पे ingenious था, यहाँ पे ingenuous. Ingenuous का मतलब है normal. There's nothing special in that person. This is not sophisticated, it's unsophisticated. Today we have spent the day in a normally in a different way. We talked about more about the word words.
कौन सा टेस्ट आप बोल रहे थे?
आज हमने जो भी किया उसका एक टेस्ट होगा. सबको होगा. आज जो नहीं आए हैं उनको भी देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. और वो टेस्ट होगा मल्टीपल चॉइस. आपको वहां पे चूज करना पड़ेगा एंड यू हैव टू आंसर ऑनलाइन. तो आपका जो रिजल्ट है वो पब्लिश होगा. कुछ बड़ा करेंगे ना, बड़ा करके उसको एग्जाम करेंगे.